In this video, we're going to show you how to join the Discord server for the Roblox game Anime Vanguards. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like to support us. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Then, in the left-hand sidebar, click the plus button. After that, select Join a Server. In the Invite Link field, type the following invite code exactly as shown: Anime Vanguards. After making sure the code is typed correctly, click Join a Server and you'll be taken to the Anime Vanguards Discord server. Next, answer the questions shown on the screen and carefully read the server rules. Scroll down until you've read all the rules, then click Finish. You've now joined the server, but before you can access all channels and chat with other members, you'll need to complete a verification process. To do this, click on Verify in the left-hand menu and follow the instructions provided. And that's how you join the Anime Vanguards Discord server. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.